Breaking news, dentistry isn't scary anymore. Hi, I'm Dr. Kumar Bedivel, your favorite Dallas periodontist and the guy who gets it. Going to the dentist used to feel like a horror movie, right? Drills, needles, long recoveries. No, thank you. But guess what? Here is the good news. Dentistry isn't what it used to be. Today, it is faster, smarter, and yes, way less scary. Let me show you why. Modern tools, no medieval torture. Say goodbye to the drill noise. Scared of that E sound? Laser dentistry is changing the game. No scary noise, no vibration, often even no numbing needed. We can treat gum disease, cavities, even do surgeries with precision and comfort. Faster healing, less pain. Recovery doesn't have to ruin your week. Do you remember when a simple tooth procedure meant days of work? Now, with the minimally invasive techniques, patients bounce back faster than ever. Less swelling, less bleeding, or almost no bleeding, more smiling. Yeah, we get you. We actually listen. Today's dentists aren't just here to fix teeth. We are here to make you feel safe, heard, and respected. You got questions? We give honest answers, not pressure sales. Empowered, not pressured. Remember, you are in the driver's seat. Dentistry isn't one size fits all anymore. Whether you need extra time, gentle explanations, or just a little encouragement, we adapt to your pace. From anxiety-friendly appointments to flexible options, you are always in control. Technology equals to trust. You see what we see. We use digital scans, intraoral cameras, and 3D images to show you what is going on. No more mystery, no more blind trust. You are in control of your care, and that builds confidence. Yes, dentistry has changed. It is more advanced, more compassionate, and way less scary. Still nervous? That's okay. We are here to help you every step of the way. If you are in Dallas-Fort Worth area, visit us at ToothHQ for a free dental consult. Let's make your dental visit the most comfortable one yet. Stay healthy, stay smiling, and hey, dentistry just got cooler.